Installation must be done by a qualified and licensed electrician, following all local and federal safety requirements.
Step 1. Disassemble the fixture.
Disconnect the power before installation. When cutting the leads from the ballast to the input power, make sure to leave as much length as possible for electrical connections.
Step 2. Install the driver.
Install the new driver into the channel using the mounting holes from the old ballast when possible. Ensure the existing fixture channel is properly grounded.
Step 3. Connect the input wires to the driver.
The LED driver comes standard with 0 to 10 volt dimming. If the dimming functions will not be used, leave the quick disconnect on the red, purple, and gray wires. If you wish to use the dimming functions, access the full written instructions at linmoreled.com/URS.
Step 4. Install the channel covers.
Route the driver's outgoing leads through the hole in the channel cover. When reattaching the channel covers, make sure not to pinch any wires. Repeat the procedure for the remaining portions of the install.
Step 5. Install the URS bars.
The magnets in the light bar end caps are an installation aid only, holding the URS bar in place until it is mechanically fastened. They are not a permanent way to secure the light bar.
Step 6. Connect the input wires to the URS bar. If you wish to use wire covers, you can skip this step.
These press-in connectors are marked by color. Red is positive, black is negative. Plus and minus signs are also printed on the LED strip. Arrange any excess wire links under the channel cover.
Step 7. You need to cover the output wires, and if you did step 6, you can skip this step.
When using a wire cover, slide the cover over the wires and through the grommet until the ends of the wires are exposed. Connect these wires to the URS bar, matching red to red and black to black, adjusting the covering to hide the wires.
Step 8. Now it's time to test the fixture.
Following your installation, properly dispose of the old fluorescent lamps and ballasts.